This is my introductory video on how to learn, build, and maintain my cybersecurity program in your organization, doing it yourself. My name's John Bandler. So I made this group of videos. Why? Because every organization needs good cybersecurity. Almost every organization needs a cybersecurity program. If you're more than a couple employees, you probably need a cybersecurity program. Many organizations do not have internal expertise, and a lot of them cannot afford to hire external expertise. So this is a free, do-it-yourself cybersecurity program for those organizations. Created some videos. I have additional resources. It's to assist. It's my gift to you. Please consider giving back. Subscribe, like, buy one of my books, and see my giving back article. What is Bandler's cybersecurity program? That's the first main video. You will learn what a cybersecurity program is and should be, what mine is, who it's for, why your organization probably needs one. It's a video backed by additional resources, including a companion article and other articles. As we learn about my program, we'll talk about policy, my guidance, my 4 pillars of cybersecurity, and more. And that's the first main video. Then the second main video explains how to build my cybersecurity program in your organization. It assumes you're starting from zero with nothing, and it gets you started. You'll implement my free cybersecurity policy, take other important steps. It moves you from that red point at zero to having something, companion article, and other resources. So basically, you go from zero, that red dot, you move forward to that green dot, because now you have something. You're in the green. It's not perfect. Your work is not done, because cybersecurity is a process of continual improvement, but at least you've got a program in place. Then the next main video, part 3, is where you maintain and improve what you have in your organization. Once you have a cybersecurity program, you need to keep improving it. You probably cannot afford external expertise, so this is something to help you do it yourself. You can't do nothing. You can't spend zero time on it. You can't forget about it. You have to review it, keep it going, improve it, move it forward. I've got a companion article for this too, and of course many others. You can pause and read these, but we all know cybercrime and cybersecurity is serious business. I'm giving this for free. I cannot assume any liability. All risks are yours. These are my disclaimers and warnings. And you can also pause and read these reminders. A good cybersecurity program requires some writing and documents, like my free cybersecurity policy. The document doesn't protect you. What protects you is when you read it and follow it and make good decisions. Some key points. There are 3 steps. First, learn about my cybersecurity program. Then build your organization's cybersecurity program using my system. Then you maintain and improve your cybersecurity program. My do-it-yourself program is solid if you follow it. It's my gift to you. Please consider giving back. And it's made for very small organizations who don't have the resources to hire. If you want a deeper understanding, start with the videos, then see my articles. I've got a free course on Udemy. I've got books, more videos coming someday, maybe. And this is my fuller reference slide. And these references will also be in the video description. Thank you for watching and listening. Remember, all this is my gift to you. Please consider subscribing and liking or giving back in some other way. Thanks so much.